Today, me, you, Sherry, and Ashley are going to go to the Blandford Nature Center. What are we going to do first?
Get some donuts.
Yep, we're going to get some donuts, and then we're going to work our way over there.
We're going to wrap up all those donuts.
Yes. Should be good donuts. We're at Sandy's Donuts right now. Alright. We are at the Blandford Nature Center.
Oh no, Learning Center.
And they are trying to figure out where to go.
While we're going to the learning lab, I read we should get the
What? Reserved for educational camping. Well, I don't know.
Just follow them.
It don't look like there's spine on them.
It's a nice day, ain't it?
With a brush.
Yeah, you want to go that way then? Yeah. We gotta walk on this. Oh.
I'm going to do it.
It's got a little learning center thing, I guess. It's also got a lot of cool nature trails.
I can't believe that because there's so many trees out there.
Yeah?
Try to make it up. Play that, me boy.
Okay, so Ashley's mom went to this schoolhouse with, I can believe. She didn't really go there.
We're from Westside Christian, so they come for a field trip, and then we volunteer on a Saturday just to open up the place and give tours. And so it's fun to see. This was actually, I'll let them talk. Ren, do you want to come on?
Do you guys have a guess how many people can live in here?
10.
13 people
Yeah,
could live in here.
Yeah, and it was lived in until the 70s, 1970s. So it was built in the 1870s. So.
Look at, see the dishes?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Going up the stairs.
Oh,
Working.
that's what, yeah. I actually have hands.
Hey, you wanna know something funny?
You probably get it on video.
That's like the stairs going to my room, my parents' house.
I know.
That's what the room looks like
This is where
too.
they would sleep.
This is where they would sleep.
Feels like a timeout room.
I'm not gonna fall through the floor,
Feels like a
right?
timeout room, he said.
Except for uncomfy beds.
Look at that old.
But it's cool. It's cool, but I feel like it'd be so cold in here.
You can see through the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Wobbly.
Yeah, but I think these, the boards
Step
are.
right here. Step on this rock. Very wobbly.
I know.
That one I think.
Yeah, I think it should be in front of me.
Because there's not that many babies.
Don't fall.
Lights on or something on your
Hey,
phone.
Braden, go really careful down, okay? Be careful of Sherry too.
It's going on with the walls.
Careful after you
Show me your touch your phone. There's a flashlight. Westside, we've been playing house, but also like give you some tours.
Walking in my thing.
Did you feel how warm that is? I mean, you have to be right by now. Ready? Yes. My mother-in-law made this for my daughter. Because I was a kid who dreamt of
That's pretty cool.
having a board right with you. I got to make my kids drink. And then this is fun for me because I get to play, you know.
So cool.
Thanks for having us.
Sugar House. check this.
Yep. Get this.
Get it back hot again. Hi guys.
Sugary.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
That's cool.
What are you doing?
Boiling. Boiling water. Well, we're making syrup here. I was getting a little close, so sorry, I'm a little focused on that. I just got to make sure we don't get too much coming up here. But no, this is toward the end of the year, so they're pretty much out of sap. The trees have kind of given up, but we're right at the point where we're not getting a good freeze thaw like that during the daytime. So it's so the water or the sap that's coming out of the trees is getting less sugar in it, and we're getting really close to the end where the trees are going to bud out. So the sap season is going to be done after today.
Oh, good thing we came today then, huh?
Yes. You're in the last part of it today. But yeah, the kids have been drilling holes in the trees to gather some of the sap. We get it here at Blandford and then put it into a pan in the back, an old milk tank, and then comes through a continuous flow. There's usually a little float set up on here, but being that we're right at the end, we pulled that now. We're adding water to flood it back through the pan, but as it thickens up, it gets more dense and it pushes through the evaporator. All the way to this side is continuous flow, and then we'll batch it into the front. You can see the bubbles getting tighter on here, so we're getting closer to syrup. And once it becomes syrup, we'll check with our little hydrometer here. We'll check the density of it. When this little guy floats, it's kind of like a bobber. When that floats up high enough and we get it up to this little red line on the top, then we'll pull it off as syrup. Filter it. They'll do a last filtration up in the building up front, and then bottle it, and then it'll be ready for syrup, ready to eat. So the process takes probably 6 to 8 hours to run through here to get about a gallon off from it of syrup. So it takes quite a bit of time to get this much evaporation out.
Yeah.
All the water that we're pulling off. There's a big barrel behind you guys. We'll need that much sap to steam off from it or evaporate off to get the small barrel worth of syrup. 40 to 1.
Oh, the small barrel on top.
The
Yes.
small barrel will be.
That big one will turn into that tiny one of
You
syrup.
want to pull the doors for me?
Okay.
Or please pull one door.
I think it's time.
Not quite.
Do you want both or one?
You can close one. So it's getting pretty close to where it's getting syrup level. So you just got to watch that when the boil.
No, it's letting off a lot of heat.
It's a pint plus a fat cup.
Yeah.
How come it said
Then you
no
can
smoking?
keep stirring it, and
Smoking.
it'll start to.
That's the difference, like the
crystallize
smoking,
gel.
no smoking
Then you
cigarettes.
can pour it into
Oh,
the
you mean
molds,
smoking?
and it'll actually make into the maple candies. Or stir it further.
Here, yeah, that's what I want, guys. Go ahead and try it.
Here, let me go
Then
over
you can
here.
actually make sugar.
Get some. I know I am.
So in
Yeah, I'll
early
try
days,
one.
the settlers, they figured a lot of
Don't miss life while you're videoing.
Oh, I know.
Actually get it to
You go
crystallize,
first, Braden.
then you can wrap it in a cheesecloth and put it on a wagon and take it across the
Actually, that's the back.
you know, through a
It's pretty good.
stagecoach or
No, it doesn't quite, does it?
covered wagon to the-
Much better.
Obviously doesn't travel well.
That's pretty cool.
That's not so bad, actually.
It is pretty cool.
It is really sugary.
That's straight from the tree.
That's
Okay, we're in the Visitor Information Center.
I want to buy something.
We could buy that stuff.
Yeah.
Where we're at, Blandford Nature Center.
Dad, do this fit you?
Oh, I'm sure it does.
It's pretty hard, but you are.
Thank you, Braden.
Yeah, I've done that. I've done that.
That's cool. Tortoise or turtle.
We're gonna be eating soon.
I think turtle ignoring me.
That's cool, ain't it?
He's ignoring me. Oh no.
Oh, he's probably. I'm sure he's not ignoring you.
Oh no, just
See the owl?
yeah. Please do
Two of them.
turn on or reach over the chain.
Wait, don't reach over the chain like I just did on accident without thinking about it.
Reach over the chain.
You got a rabbit.
Please be mindful of
A little smaller owl.
by keeping them down.
What do they want?
They're telling us to realize about the animal.
Please be mindful of our wildlife by keeping voices down. You can't be loud. These cool owls.
Oh, they have water. Oh,
It's cool, ain't it? Isn't that cool?
yeah. I saw a YouTuber on like.
You see the one swimming right there?
Oh, look at that. Where's this animal?
Where is anything in here? I don't think there's anything in here.
It must be inside that.
Must be.
There's a lot of animals here.
Oh, they got this one kind of blocked. You can only see it from right over here.
I think I can see the most.
Can I see him right there?
Oh, that is the night owl.
Yeah.
I think the snow owl.
You ever watch Harry Potter? Some of these owls look like they're from Harry Potter.
I think he's the snow owl.
These are cool, these two.
What animal is that?
It's a possum.
Do
I
it
think it's a
bite?
possum.
Do it bite people? Oh, there's
And jumped.
being scared. Camera shot.
Look at those two. Could be. So we'll see what they're looking at.
Oh, there's one down there in the water.
Where's it?
There's a turtle. There's one up right there.
There's one down there.
Oh, I see. I don't look over here. Oh, there's one right there.
It's cool.
Oh, wanted by the light.
Check that out.
Hey, baby crow.
It's not a baby crow.
It is a baby
It's a
crow.
big crow.
I'm taller than it then. I could
Pretty cool.
beat the crow in a staring contest.
Who's winning?
I'm winning.
I don't know.
I think he just blinked his eyes.
That's cool.
Why are you looking?
Yeah.
Starting on the trail. Nice day today.
See those buckets down there?
That's what they're getting the syrup out of the tree with. You know how the guy was talking about the syrup?
Where is this animal?
Oh,
Where is he?
was that a deer or something? Or a bobcat?
I think it's a yeah, bobcat. What? Yeah, there's a bobcat.
There's the bobcat.
Look at that. Look at that. She's shy.
Yeah, or
Why are you
there.
looking at me like that?
Look, there it is. See it?
Yeah, I saw him. He was in the house.
Over here.
He's bigger than me.
There it is. A big Chloe.
He's so pretty.
His name's Apollo.
There's no animal here.
I don't see no animal in there.
What?
See, there are more animals.
Yeah,
I see a dead.
red-shouldered hawk.
See a dead mouse on the thing.
Yeah, there was some inside the when you're
I don't
inside
see
too.
any dead mice.
I'm gonna walk up to one of these buckets real quick. Hold on. So that's how they get the syrup. For, yeah, for the tree. There it is. Too bad I can't zoom in on it.
It's a little bit cold today.
Yeah, it could be worse. It could be more windy.
Yeah.
See, like, see up there?
Red-tailed hawk. Where is it? Oh, I see it.
Cool, cool. You want to see what's over here? Oh, what is that over here? Is that a porcupine?
Yeah.
No, I don't know. Yeah, porcupine.
Oh, I want to touch it.
You don't touch
I want
porcupines.
to touch it. That's a porcupine over there.
Porcupine.
I think it.
Oh, hey guys, look all the way down here.
Yeah.
I see trails.
You know what's cool about these trails? You can bring our RCs here.
And
crawl.
we can camp here.
Oh, yeah. Here's your stomping grounds.
We're going deeper in the forest.
Hey, do you want that stump removed?
No, I just want to look to see if there's any bugs in it.
I think the trail's right here.
Well, I couldn't tell if that was the only one. They should have drove it. Yeah, I did fall trail.
We're going deeper in the forest.
We are. What if there's a bear?
There's no bear.
You sure?
I do not believe bear anymore because I've never seen a bear.
Not yet.
Nobody has ever seen anybody do that. We're going deeper. Be careful, you can just walk through. Guys, do you know you can take a picture over there?
Oh, we can?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
We're going deep. We're Ashley and Cherry.
They are videoing
I guess.
and taking in the scenery.
I guess we might have to leave them behind.
I wonder if this place would say anything if we brought one of our crawlers back here. Probably, huh?
I never wrote anything back here.
Watch your steps, don't fall.
I guess I'm looking at the stairs.
Look at those two.
You should put your hand
Up to no good.
Watch where you're going.
Oh, I know.
Why are we putting no safety?
What's that?
Why are we not putting no safety for babies? They might think it's oh, watch out for these cracks. If you're watching this, you're a baby. You shouldn't go with it.
It's a little cold today, but not too bad.
Very
The wind,
on it.
there's more wind to be terrible. There's a little bit of wind.
Very twisty.
Look at those two.
Oh, Ashley found something.
Oh, look. She's being adventurous again.
Oh, look, I can crash
You know
that
what? She's
tree.
not going across the water though.
Hey, why don't you go across the water?
Oh, you want me to go on this part of sand right there?
Yeah.
No, I want you to walk across the log, across the water.
Don't
Oh,
make
right
me
here?
jump
Yeah.
over there.
Oh, you could bring dogs here.
Don't make me jump over here.
Stay there, Braden.
Okay, I'm going to jump. We actually jump in the water.
You made it.
I made it.
Actually jump in the water.
No, that water's too cold.
Hey, Dad, look.
You gotta make it back across
Yeah,
now.
I could go that way.
Hey, Dad, I can readily jump on here. See?
Oh, you stay there.
Will you take a picture?
It's more insane.
I'm recording you.
Well, I want a picture.
Actually, get back here. Or jump in the water and get back.
Okay, got your picture.
You got it?
Got your picture.
Alright, you want me to go back now?
Well, how else are you gonna get back?
That way?
That's cheating.
Why?
Because you're
If you can't do it, just say I can't do it.
Remember, you're strong, so if you cheat, you're not strong. Why are you looking at me?
You didn't even record me coming back.
I did.
Why are you looking at me? You're not allowed to sit down.
Yeah, I know.
I think they made a house and they got rid of something.
You warm?
Yeah.
Good.
From that fire.
From that fire. Oh, where the syrup was being made?
Yeah. I put my hands there, and if I put my hands in my pocket, I feel really warm.
Oh, I almost fell.
There used to be water here, but there's mud now.
I think you're right.
I think they got strained by the storm. Or all the dogs eat eels. Okay,
Yeah? Let's walk back through this way again.
I told you it's a shortcut.
We were just there.
What?
We were just in there.